Welcome back to another vlog. My name is Yaung. Today we're going to Platinum and we'll show you around. And most especially, I'll let you know how to get there from Chitlom station.
Welcome back to another vlog. Today we are in Chitlom station and we're going to take you to Platinum Mall. We're going to show you how to get there. From the station, go to exit 1, go straight to Quezon Mall. Quezon Mall. Ato Tamuagi, guys. That's the connecting entrance to Quezon Mall. That's Quezon Mall. There. Welcome to Quezon Village. And they're still celebrating the Chinese New Year. There's Starbucks here. Reserve Japanese Starbucks, Bino?
Yes.
This is a Starbucks Reserve.
Wow.
One of the Starbucks Reserve in Thailand, in Bangkok. This is one of the premium malls in Bangkok. They have the Louis Vuitton here. Luxury brands. Now, if you're looking for like a camera, you can find it here in Quezon. See? That's a Leica shop. Ito din daw photo spot di. Ano ka dali mo barog di para makuha na diha. Ano? Bitaw photo spot ito na siya. Bitaw. Photo spot dito no. Let's go. This is the Quezon North exit. Oh, Platinum is there. This mall is Central Park. That's the Bangkok traffic. You can also pass by a big C supermarket. So far, this is the biggest one that I have seen here in Bangkok. There. We came from there. This one, going there, big C. That skywalk was built just this year, last year. It was built last year. Platinum Mall is actually there. So we're going to that direction. It's connected to this one. There are two buildings for Platinum. Yes, that building is Novotel. So if you want to go shopping, coming to Bangkok, you can take the Novotel, go down and have shopping of your life. This spot here is very famous to tourists. Most of the people take photos on that area there. The weather today is actually better than last week, but it's very hot. So humid. A new shopping mall that will suck all your money when you come to Thailand. Awa guys, ingani ka limot na rin Bangkok nga magkinanglan dyan ka og Hello Kitty fan. So almost at the end of this skywalk, on towards Platinum Mall. That's Platinum Mall. And another one, two buildings. You can see them. Platinum Mall. There you go, guys. This is the other Platinum Mall. This is the other one. So you see two buildings. Welcome to Platinum Mall.